Log into the LATTC Moodle site by entering your student ID and password. Click on one of the links located at the other side of the screen that says ePortfolios. To create a new page from Mahara home site, click on the tab that says Portfolio. Alternatively, you can use the link in the middle of the screen that says Pages. You will see your dashboard and profile pages. They are not considered portfolios. Your dashboard is what you see in your Mahara homepage, and your profile page is what others see when they click on your name. Any new page that you create will be underneath these two. At the top right corner of the screen, you will also see the buttons Create Page and Copy a Page. Create a page means to start it from scratch, whereas copying a page refers to using a template made by someone else. If you're using a mobile device such as an iPhone or an iPad, you will need to make a setup before anything works. You need to change the theme of the page and then add a block. This is a one-time setup, and after this, everything should be working correctly. To add blocks, the process is slightly different if you're using a mobile device or a computer. If you're using a mobile device, select the rounded button located below the block that you want to add. Select where do you want that block to be by touching one of the gray lines below. After you add the block, you will need to press the Edit button to be able to select the content. On the other hand, if you're using a computer, you need to drag and drop the blocks where you want them to be. After you release it, you will automatically see a window where you can select the content of the block. You will find the images under the second tab that says Files, Images, and Video. To upload a picture from your device, you first need to acknowledge that you are not infringing copyright laws by clicking on the check mark. Once you do that, you can browse throughout your device and select the picture that you want to select. Once a picture is uploaded, it is added to your library so that if you ever needed it again, you don't need to upload it again. You also can organize them in folders if you wish. Make sure you modify the title of the blog from its generic name. You are able to stream a video hosted on YouTube. Open the link and copy the URL. Then go to Mahara at the blog called External Video, paste the link and save it. You can add text by going to the General tab and selecting the text box. Once you have added a block, you can edit it by clicking the Edit button. You can replace a picture, add a description, or modify its dimensions. To change the title of the page, go to the second tab, Edit Title and Description, and change the title of the page from its default. To create a collection. For this step, you need to have 2 pages or more. A collection links several pages and creates a navigation bar so that the user can alternate between pages without having to click different links. Go to your Mahara homepage. Click on the tab Portfolio and then on the tab Collections. Click on New Collection. Enter a name and click on the Next button. Select the pages that you will be linking. Click on the Add Pages button. If you need to, modify the order. When you're satisfied, click on Done. You can see how your collections look by clicking on the name of the collection. Share a page or collection. From the homepage of Mahara, click on the Portfolio tab and then on the Share tab. Click on the pencil in front of the name of the page of the collection that you want to set up. Select the button of the group with whom you will be sharing your page. For example, if you want to make your collection public, click the button Add Public. When you are ready, click Save.